Hi, welcome back. Another important thing to discuss. This is something once you join in corporate, okay, certain things will be beneficial to you, certain things will be painful to you. What exactly it is? So the topic is no utilization of the pegs. Read the sentence properly. No utilization of the pegs in a better way, but don't worry about that. So this is my suggestion. Never worried about that. What is pegs actually? Certain times you will have an opportunity like when you perform a certain task in a better way, okay, they will give certain points from your company. Okay, each point equal to, it starts from in India 2 rupees to like 6 to 10 rupees sometimes. It depends. So that they will create it as a small award, kind of monetary award. They will give certain name. Certain times who's supposed to give an award, they can award you, or else your colleague, or else your superior. So most of the times, this is the trend started to attract. This is one kind of appreciation from HR actually. So they said to the managers or leads or fellow colleagues, if someone helped, someone cracked critical solution, someone occasions like birthdays, this kind of anyhow, that is in HR hands. If you have a milestone, 3 years finished, 5 years finished, they will give you to give some encouragement to you. Okay, milestones is different. Anyhow, you will get it. So, but actual perks. So each point is 2 rupees, 3 rupees, or 6 rupees, or 10 rupees. So if they give 1,000 points, okay, if it is 4 rupees, 4,000 rupees, you got it. That points you can able to convert into, again, corporate types will be there. Amazon, Flipkart, maybe Zomato, Swiggy, somewhere. You can able to utilize these points. Certain times you can convert into those points. You can buy cash, you can buy gold also. I have seen people in the projects, they will try to misutilize these specs. Whoever actually hardworking, they don't get it. For example, so I used to work hard a lot in my second project. So a lot of utilization is happening among the people. I don't care, but you will get one fine day. I also got it. So on my work, I got it. I can proudly say that on my work. In a similar way, I think previous to previous company, one of my colleague is there who is hardworking. He really got it. So it depends on the lead or manager or people how they would like to utilize these awards actually. But I said, don't remember starting. Don't worry about this. Why? Because your salary is more important. So this is also part of one kind of corporate politics. Don't worry about that. So certain benefits will go to certain people only. Okay. So this kind of perks will be there. Okay. Certain times you will get uh, you know corporate lunch with your CEO, or else you will be awarded in that particular year. Never worried about these perks. Do your work, and if really hardworking, so who will see? God will observe all these things. After doing hard work also, if you are not getting them, so maybe some plan is there for you, God, actually. Okay. Never worried about these kind of packs actually. If you get it, you enjoy. If you get others also, you'll enjoy it. It may be, right way or wrong way. Never point out. It will be like, back blast for you. See, whenever when you try to behave in different manner at corporate, so that will not have immediate effect. It will be slowly will have effect. Your obedience and your honesty so important. Your honesty and obedience is not digest to someone. Don't worry. You're answerable to your parents, wife, and God. No one else. Do your hard work. If you don't, perks also no problem. When the day comes, when the time comes, you will get everything on your own way. Okay. We are working for salary. We stick to that. We are not working for pets. So if you get it all the way, it is fine. If others also get it, you appreciate it. Okay, that's the quality you have to develop it. This is my YouTube channel. Every day I'm telling, if you really wanted to get more tips and really wanted to know a little more about, corporate or other things, you can certainly subscribe my channel. I can share my experience. And, you know, this is my Udemy channel all the way. If you want to learn SAP SD, if you are already trained, if you wanted to have a quick revision, please subscribe my courses. This is SAP SD 100 plus hours. And if you don't have an introduction S4 HANA with the 3 scenarios, you can try. And this is for pricing concepts. This is one of my top course. More than 1,000 plus students are there. With that inspiration, I have done one more course, which is like, SD ECC. This is actually, most of the times S4 HANA. 99% S4 HANA screens I have utilized it. Okay, your pricing revision plus standards depth. If you want it, you can try this advanced level. This is for rebates and this is for FSCM in S4 HANA. Like, I would like to refer a couple of courses. This is for shipping basics. We will cover a couple of entry questions. This is idocs, 1 or 2 entry questions on that. And apart from that, it is very, very important and real time to know all this, irrespective of any module. If you would like to learn how to write functional specification, this is the right place. Here I explained with a couple of scenarios as the simple example, but still it is useful for PP, FI, anybody can subscribe this course. I'm providing these links below this video. If you really have that interest to get continued with my courses, you can subscribe. Jai Hind, I wish you all the best. Never worried about perks. If you get it, if you don't get it, if some penny is on your head, no one cannot take you. Don't jealous about your colleagues. Don't jealous about misutilization. Let it go. Don't complain. Don't do all these things. If you are starting off your career, then don't be greedy. Let it go. Okay. Be happy. Always try to get your salary, sustain in the market. That is more important. Jai Bharat.